what I find in people that are communication souls is when they're dealing with relationships, they're trying to communicate with their partners and their partners are not able to hear them. So what happens is that turns your energy off.
Yes.
And it makes you feel there's a level of anxiety and frustration that actually is felt across from the other person. So a lot of times in relationships, there becomes a confusion.
Yeah.
You see what I'm saying? Between
you're
trying to tell them something and it seems like this is one of the things that needs to be a key for you is sometimes when you're talking to somebody in a relationship like that, it doesn't mean that they're not hearing you exactly. It's just not that energy. They just don't receive energy that way.
Yeah.
So it makes you feel like it's falling on deaf ears and makes you go into anxiety and